Friends, I just did a live podcast with 16 million people exposing how Tennessee Bureau of Investigations just raided the chief of Millersville Police Department, raided his home and raided the police department, all in an apparent attempt to recover the evidence that he has of 14 years of investigations on organized crime around the Nashville area, of multi-billion-dollar money laundering through real estate loan fraud and others. We also got one arrest and 70 warrants on evidence for that many predators in our recent sting operation, which Channel 5's Phil Williams went ballistic over, and he bragged about calling his contacts at Tennessee Bureau of Investigations to stop the warrants and stop the arrests. And sure enough, TBI went and raided the chief and raided the police department. So why do they not want the predators arrested? Why do they want to stop the evidence of what the chief has uncovered in 14 years of investigations? Well, I'll tell you what. The locals there who have been victims of organized crime exposed to us that, Phil Williams is a cover-up man, that TBI does have a percentage of their bureau that's corrupted, and they are trying to cover up the organized crime very desperately around Nashville. Friends, I just did a live podcast